Nganeli hapa ndiyo khuzana ndi kumpoto. Kumpoto makamaka especially MP wa Kunkhatabe anayima kunena kuti akuluakulu mukuona zoti chakumpoto kummatisala. Mmatisala. And munalonjeza nzambiri apresident analonjeza nzambiri koma zonsezo sizikuchitika. Pali Chimanga chimene chochoka ku Dodma. Chimanga chimene chikugwisidwa ntchito ngati kuti akuchipanga politicize kuchigwisa ntchito ngati ndale ndo makagawa kummwera. Chimanga chimene chocho chimagayidwa ndi Manganya. Ife kumpoto sichikubwera chifukwa chani pamenepo ndi anauza kuti adikirani kaye musamati Manganya yayi muziti vice president
59 and 1964. Madam Speaker, it is evident that in Nkatabe we lost lives. More than 20 people died fighting for the independence. In fact, even the Malay Congress Party you have today was born in Nkatabe by Otto Nichirwa. Madam Speaker, the people of Nkatabe joined the fight for independence in order to see meaningful development in Nkatabe. Madam Speaker, but to the contrary, instead of the government looking at Nkatabe and developing Nkatabe, Nkatabe has been neglected by this government. Nkatabe has been neglected, Madam Speaker. Nkatabe has been neglected because by now Nkatabe should have developed into a city. We were promised a secondary city, but up to now, nothing on the ground. Where is the secondary city that you promised Nkatabe? Madam Speaker, the president of today, Dr. Chakwera, promised the people of Nkatabe a secondary city. Nothing. The president of today promised a secondary school at Kapingama. What has happened to that promise? Nothing on the ground. Where is the secondary school at Kapingama? And I want to join Twelve Central to ask the ministers, why is it that when the president issues directives, you, the ministers, ignore those directives? Why is it that you don't comply to the directives? What is wrong? Madam Speaker, the president promised a secondary school at Kapingama, nothing. The president promised to rehabilitate Nkatabe jetty. Nkatabe jetty has submerged in deep waters. Where is that promise? Madam Speaker, in the State of the National Address, the government is claiming to have distributed maize in Nkatabe. Where in Nkatabe did you distribute the maize? Where? You have spent 1.1 billion kwacha distributing maize to people in Nkatabe. Which areas? Where? Madam Speaker, people are starving to death in Nkatabe. They are starving due to lack of food. The maize from Dodma, which is being distributed by the government, is being politicized. You are seeing the whole Vice President Manganya distributing the maize.
Honorable member
Madam Speaker,
Nkatabe Central, we have a point of order here. A first point of order from Lilongwe City.
Madam Deputy Speaker.
Okay, before you, Honorable, I asked that's Lilongwe City what?
West.
But before you, Honorable member, it's not respectful to refer the Honorable Vice President as Manganya. No, Honorable, and that's not the official name we know. No, you can mention his official name, but not that one. I will not allow you to do that, and you have to withdraw it. No, you have to withdraw it. Honorable member for Lilongwe City West.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker. I just want to find out whether it is in order that the honorable member was just resumed his seat. He has been a minister for many years, and his government
That has gone out of order, Honorable.
Is that in order to blame this kind of government that we have failed to develop Nkatabe when they failed to drove Calabar for 26 years when they've been government.
Thank
and
you.
The minister. What
Thank you, Honorable.
Madam Deputy Speaker, the other issue I wanted to say is that we are debating State of the Nation address. Some people that are standing here say that they're debating statement. Whenever you stand up, just know that what we are debating is a State of the Nation address. Oh, just resume CDP where you are, don't stand up if you don't contribute. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Member.
Madam
You
Speaker,
have the floor, Honorable Minister.
I want to rise on a point of order. That is Standing Order 102 and also Standing Order 1034. I'm a privileged man that the member who is on the floor, most of the times we have had the matters there in his constituency. And I was privileged to be in the local government before where I am. And him, on 2 occasions I've attended the matters day, he has pronounced that this government is trying hard and doing well to his constituency. Now, you should also cross-check what he's going to say on Monday, because we also have the matters day that time. He's also going to say the same. Now, here he is.
Honorable Minister.
He's alleging that his constituency we have not developed, and Nkatabe has not developed. Yet he has always been said, I can bring evidence where he has said Nkatabe is progressing well.
Honorable Minister.
I can bring that, because that's what he has always said. I can bring that. I can bring the clips.
Honorable Minister. Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Minister.
And on Monday, he's also going to say.
Honorable Minister and honorable members, that's what you do. Even when you were this side, you were doing the same. You were doing the same, honorable members. Honorable Minister, resume your seat. Nkatabe Central. No, we have interrupted him twice. No, we have interrupted him twice. We have interrupted him twice.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. Madam, what is there in Nkatabe, I will say it is there. What is not there, I will tell you is not there. So you are expecting me to speak on third March, I will say the same things. The people of Nkatabe were promised a secondary city. Where is the city in Nkatabe?
Honorable member from Nkatabe Central. Hey, honorable member. Listen to me. You have to withdraw the word or the name Manganya first, and then you continue. Thank you. Proceed, honorable. Proceed.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Madam, I withdraw the word Manganya. I replace it with the Right Honorable Vice President, Dr. Usi.
Thank you.
The point remains, Madam Speaker, government is distributing maize, but in Nkatabe, people are starving to death. And that maize That maize is not coming to Nkatabe. No chief, no area in Nkatabe has seen maize being distributed by government. We need the maize in Nkatabe as well. People of Senior Chief Mukumbira, people of TA, Mundola, Kamwadi, Koza, they need the maize. Madam Speaker, the president indeed came to Nkatabe and he promised the people of Nkatabe a secondary school at Kapingama. The question still remains, the school has not been built. What happened to that promise? The president came to Nkatabe and he promised the people of Nkatabe a secondary city. What happened to that promise? You promised us a secondary city.
South, please.
What happened to that promise?
Please.
Madam Speaker,
GC South.
Madam Speaker, I have been requested
Honorable
by
member,
my people.
Honorable member for Salima Southeast. I have been saying in this house that only 2 points of orders, not more than that. You have to wait for him to finish. Honorable member, I speak it in plain language and you have to understand it. Resume your seat. Honorable member, continue.
Madam Speaker, Madam, the people of Nkatabe are starving, they need maize. Maize being distributed by government, we need relief maize in Nkatabe as well. Madam Speaker, Madam, Nkatabe port requires maintenance. The president promised us rehabilitation of Nkatabe port, but up to now, nothing. Madam Speaker, Madam, we need health facilities in Nkatabe. The only hospital we have at Nkatabe Boma is the one built by the former president Ngwazi Professor Bingwa Mtarika. May he so rest in peace. Up to now, there's nothing beyond that one. So we need clinics in Nkatabe, at Kapingama, at Toto, at Chindozo. We need the clinics in rural areas. Madam Speaker, Madam, we have two sub-TAs in Nkatabe, sub-TA Mundola, sub-TA Koza, Nkatabe Central. We need these shifts elevated to full TA. Sub-TA Mundola, sub-TA Koza, sub-TA Kamadi. It is time now that these shifts be elevated to full TA status. Madam Speaker, Madam, only the issue of road infrastructure. We require maintenance of roads in Nkatabe, and especially the feeder roads from Uchisu to Toto, because there at Toto now we have a clinic. How can you have a clinic without an access road? So we need a road access from Uchisu up to Toto, where I was built using Jezid. We are building a clinic at Toto, Jezid. And that has not been captured. It has not been captured in the zone because it is under construction.
I hope, no. I hope we were not sent here to shout. No, that's too much. I don't want to mention your name again. No, what? Don't argue with me. I have heard you, and no, I've been looking at you, I've been lenient. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. Sergeant at Arms, I'm giving him 2 days. No, I invoke section 105 on you. No, I've been lenient for a long time. I've been lenient for a long time. Since morning. He will be back on Wednesday, or he will be back on Thursday. Honorable Leader, you don't expect when I'm speaking and then someone should be arguing with me. It has been, no, he started in the morning. He started in the morning. He started in the morning. No, you were not here, Honorable Leader. Honorable Member from Karabe, please continue. Honorable members, I have given the ruling on him. He will be back on Thursday, and I now adjourn the House to tomorrow, Tuesday, at 9:30, House adjourned.